Okay, y'all, one of the most annoying things about the 2018 WRX is that freaking fan noise. It's ever present every time the heater's on. I can always hear it. It doesn't matter if it's on like the lowest setting, the highest setting. It's just there and it's a loud noise. This fix has been around for quite a bit already. And this is a OEM fix, which I just picked up from Subi because it was in stock, easy to pick up. They do include extra clips, which I've seen other places don't include the other two clips, which is nice to have those. But all this is, it's like a piece of plastic with some sound deadening. That's all it is. Just this. It's got one clip there. It's gonna clip in right underneath where the blower motor is. You got those two holes for the clips in. Just this is supposed to cut a lot of that noise out. So let's take it out there, install it, get rid of that annoying sound. Sitting pretty. All right. So, goes right in. Clip one. Clip two. Yoink. There it is. Let's see if I can get you a better shot. All right, let's turn it on, see if we actually notice anything different. So we're just gonna go to the lowest setting here. I would say that's greatly improved. Before? Guys, thanks for joining today. Really easy mod. Takes away that annoying blower motor noise. It just annoyed the heck out of me. I'm not sure if it's gonna bother some of you guys. Might not be as acute or sensitive to those sounds, but it definitely bothered me. So super easy fix. Please drop me a like, drop me some comments down below. Be sure to get back to any of you guys. Thanks for joining. I got some reviews coming out this week for exhaust, drive shafts. I've got a whole list of things, and I've got some other really big mods planned for this week. So please stay tuned. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.